Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about a short but effective activity where your students create a spreadsheet that can be mapped and analyzed. There are some compelling reasons to use this activity. Number one, it only requires a fraction of a class period, 20 minutes or so, to do this entire activity. Number two, it incorporates crowdsourcing or citizen science, volunteer geographic information, as well as skills such as building a database or a spreadsheet, as well as mapping skills, symbolizing, classifying, creating bookmarks, and spatial analysis. Number three, it can be used from upper elementary or primary school level all the way up to university lifelong learning level. The procedures are as follows. Number one, you create a spreadsheet in Google Drive, for example, something that can be shared. It could be Dropbox, OneDrive, etc., but someplace where it can be shared, of a city, state, country combination for your students' hometowns. You could even add a numeric field, such as how many years the student lived in his or her hometown for some math integration. You might want to include students' initials, or maybe they could make up a nickname for themselves, whatever they choose for that additional field in the spreadsheet. Number two, save that file to the web as a CSV, comma, separated value. And then add that file to an Arcgis Online map. Number three, share your spreadsheet so that students can access it. Again, that crowdsourcing component. Four, students enter their hometowns in the spreadsheet. Number five, you then, as the author of the map, refresh the map. That way, the points from the spreadsheet will appear in the map. Number six, symbolize the map on the number of years that the students lived there, or their initials, or some other attribute in the spreadsheet. For example, create a clustered point map, a heat map, and other choices that you have in that change style component in Arcgis Online. Number seven, classify the data in different ways. Show students that the way you classify data really impacts the way that map is perceived, such as on the years lived there. Number eight, use the analysis tools and create a hotspot map, or determine how many students lived X distance from the coast, or from the continental divide, or count the number of points within a specific state or region. In other words, dig deeper. Points on a map is good, but you can do more because you've got an online geographic information system at your fingertips, Arcgis Online. Here is a sample of the spreadsheet that can be used in this activity. And here is a sample of how you share it to the web. And finally, here's what it looks like all populated, this spreadsheet. Now in Arcgis Online, what you want to do is you want to modify the map and then add data. Add from a web file, CSV, comma separated value. Point to your spreadsheet and indicate which fields contain the city, state, and country. Here is the result shared with everyone that the students can contribute. And the resulting map is shown here. Again, don't just stop at the points on the map. Do some analysis, even if it's just a gentle introduction to spatial analysis. That's the whole power of doing this. You're not doing it just because it's there. You're doing it because it's a quick way of showing crowdsourcing, spatial analysis, and working with some key components of a geographic information system, or GIS. Thanks.